Research shows that immersing oneself in nature can significantly uplift mood and reduce stress. For instance, a weekend hike in a lush forest not only refreshes the mind, but also promotes a sense of connectivity to the environment.
Engaging with nature prompts relaxation and creates space for self-reflection, making it a great addition to personal care routines.
Regular nature excursions can enhance creativity and foster inner peace, two crucial aspects of well-being.
So next time you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to step outside and recharge with the wonders of nature.